In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily access your account details on Wise. This step-by-step guide is designed to help you navigate the platform with confidence, ensuring you can quickly find the information you need. Let's start by making sure you're logged into your Wise account. It's always a good practice to double-check that you're entering the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Once you're safely logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. This is essentially the control center where you can manage all your finances and transactions. Next, you'll want to select the specific account where you have a balance. Wise typically allows you to hold multiple currencies, so make sure you're selecting the right one. As you click on the account, a detailed overview will appear, showing you the up-to-date balance and recent transactions. This is particularly useful for ensuring all your financial activities are accurately tracked. Just below the visible balance, you'll notice a section displaying your account number. This number is crucial for transactions and identifying your account within the Wise platform. It's always a good idea to have this number at hand, particularly if you're planning on conducting transactions or need to provide details to someone else who may send or request funds. By clicking on the account number, you'll open up a more detailed view. This screen will offer you further insights into your account specifics. Alongside the account number, additional details will be displayed, such as your IBAN, SWIFT, BIC codes, and other pertinent banking information which might be necessary for international transactions. Another important piece of information you'll find here is the address associated with your account. This can be crucial for confirming your account details, particularly when you're communicating with customer service or setting up payments from another platform. In any financial platform, ensuring that all of your contact and account information is up to date will save you from future headaches. Make sure your address is correct, as this could impact the operation of your account and any correspondences you might receive. In summary, accessing your account details on Wise is a straightforward process once you know where to look. By following these steps, you'll ensure that you always have easy access to crucial financial information, making management of your finances smoother and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions you have in the comments. Until next time, stay informed and keep your finances secure.